Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily use Napkin AI to generate visuals such as diagrams and charts from your stories. Let's begin. First, open up your browser, go to the official website, Napkin AI, log into your account. And once you're here, this is going to be the homepage. You will notice three options: by pasting text, describing your ideas from scratch, or simply importing a file. For this video, I'm going to use the first option. Then I'm going to paste my story. Here you will notice this icon which will say generate visuals. You can do various sections from your stories or ideas. And if you want to be more precise, you can highlight certain sections. So for this, I'm going to click on generate visuals and see what happens. So here are the visuals provided to me. Just carefully navigate through which suits best for your story. I'm going to choose this. It looks cute. And for this, you can actually further customize this. I'm going to choose a bright color for this. All right, perfect. And you can also do this for other sections as well. I'm going to highlight this section and generate another visual. And here you will notice that it has automatically recognized what style I just used from a previous visual. So you can just choose this or you can choose another diagram instead to make it much more engaging. So I'm going to choose this and same style. Now what's so good about this is you can actually add some effects, change colors, the font size. For example, if there's some errors, you can simply backspace and enter your own text if you would like to. And just make sure that all sections that need some visuals on it, go ahead and just simply highlight and select those sections. Once done, you can now click on share over here, click on it. Make sure to know the email addresses of your colleagues, or you can simply copy the link and give this to your friends. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.